Dutch Coffee Custard, Hopjesvia, recipe, delicious coffee dessert, step-by-step tutorial. Hello, coffee lovers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a delightful treat in store for you, Dutch Coffee Custard, also known as Hopjesvia in Dutch. This rich and creamy dessert is the perfect way to combine your love for coffee and dessert. So, let's get started. Ingredients. 1 cup strong coffee, espresso works great. 2 cups whole milk. 1/2 cup granulated sugar. 1/4 cup cornstarch. 4 egg yolks. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. A pinch of salt. Whipped cream and chocolate shavings for garnish, optional. Instructions. Step 1. Brew the coffee. To begin, we'll need a strong cup of coffee. You can use freshly brewed espresso or your favorite strong coffee blend. Set it aside for now. Step 2. Mix dry ingredients in a medium-sized saucepan. Combine 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, 1/4 cup of cornstarch, and a pinch of salt. Mix these dry ingredients together until they are well combined. Step 3. Combine egg yolks and milk in a separate bowl. Whisk together 4 egg yolks and 2 cups of whole milk until they are well incorporated. Step 4. Heat the mixture. Now, it's time to combine the wet and dry ingredients. Gradually pour the egg and milk mixture into the saucepan with the dry ingredients while continuously whisking. Step 5. Cook and thicken. Place the saucepan over medium heat and stir the mixture constantly. As it heats up, it will start to thicken. Be patient and continue stirring to avoid any lumps. This should take about 5-7 minutes. Step 6. Add coffee and vanilla. Once the custard has thickened, remove it from the heat. Now, add 1 cup of strong coffee and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix everything together until the coffee flavor is well incorporated. Step 7. Strain the custard. To ensure a smooth and creamy texture, strain the custard through a fine mesh sieve or strainer into a clean bowl. Step 8. Chill. Cover the custard with plastic wrap, making sure it touches the surface to prevent a skin from forming. Then, refrigerate it for at least 2 hours to let it cool and set. Step 9. Serve. Once your Dutch coffee custard has chilled and set, it's time to serve. Spoon it into individual serving glasses or bowls. If you like, you can top it with a dollop of whipped cream and some chocolate shavings for an extra indulgent touch. Step 10. Enjoy. And there you have it, a delicious Dutch coffee custard or Hopjesvia. It's a perfect dessert for coffee enthusiasts, and the creamy coffee flavor is simply irresistible. Enjoy. Thank you for joining us today to learn how to make this delightful Dutch coffee custard. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss a delicious recipe from us. Until next time, happy cooking and happy sipping. Free ebook. Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee, the adult alcohol. Worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.